Effective budget monitoring is essential for financial control. Choosing the right tool depends on your needs for simplicity, automation, or collaboration. When we use manual tools, we look at simple yet effective ways to keep track of your finances. These include pen and paper ledgers, physical notebooks, and printed templates where you can record income, expenses, and savings. Spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets also fall under manual tools, allowing you to create customized budgets, track spending, and generate basic reports. While they require more hands-on effort, manual tools give you full control and a clear overview of your financial activities. On the other hand, accounting software is a powerful tool for budget monitoring, helping businesses and individuals track finances efficiently. Platforms like QuickBooks, Zoho Books, and Xero automate income and expense tracking, generate real-time reports, and provide forecasting tools to support financial planning. With features like automated categorization, alerts, and integration with bank accounts, accounting software reduces manual effort, improves accuracy, and gives you a clear view of your financial health at any time. Enterprise resource planning systems, all ERPs, integrate all business functions, including finance tools like SAP, help track expenses, manage cash flow, and generate real-time financial reports. By consolidating data across departments, ERPs provide accurate insights and support effective budget management. Mobile and cloud-based tools make budget monitoring easy and accessible. Apps like Mint and Zoho Books let you track expenses, set budgets, and generate reports on the go. With real-time cloud updates, your data is always current, enabling better decisions and efficient financial management.